Look, I want you to imagine something for a second. It's Friday night. You just finished a long week of work. You check your banking app and you see that direct deposit hit. It feels good, right? You feel briefly wealthy. But then you fast forward 10 days. You're looking at that same screen, scratching your head, trying to figure out where the hell $800 went. You haven't bought a Rolex. You didn't go to Vegas. You just lived, and yet the save button feels more like a suggestion than reality. My name is Mark, and I spend way too much time thinking about the psychology of how we exchange our life energy for paper currency. If you're someone who feels like you're running on a financial treadmill, moving fast but staying in the exact same spot, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Today, I'm breaking down 11 things I stopped buying to hit my first $100,000. And look, some of these are going to annoy you. You might even want to click away because I'm going to challenge some things you consider essential. But if you want a result most people don't have, you have to do things most people aren't willing to do. It's what I call the invisible leak. And here's the thing. You can't out-earn a leak. You have to plug it. Number 1, the convenience tax. I stopped paying for someone to bring me a cold burrito. Here's what most people don't realize. The delivery app economy isn't built on food. It's built on the exploitation of your laziness. If you order delivery just twice a week, you're spending roughly $110 a month just on fees and tips. Is a lukewarm burrito worth 20 grand in potential investment growth? Probably not. Drive 5 minutes and pick it up yourself. Number 2, the new car smell. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, I need a reliable car to get to work. I agree, but the average new car payment is now north of $700. You are literally paying extra money for the privilege of watching your money disappear. I stopped buying new and started buying boring. I bought a 5-year-old Toyota and kept the title. Number 3, brand name identity clothing. Look, I used to think that wearing a certain logo made me look successful, but in reality, nobody cares. Everyone else is too busy worrying about what you think of them. I switched to high-quality basics. No logos. I stopped being a walking billboard for companies that were already richer than me. Number 4, the streaming bloat. We've moved from $150 cable bills to streaming fatigue. I did a subscription audit and realized I was paying $90 a month for content I didn't even have the time to watch. I cut it down to one service at a time. If I want to watch a show on a different platform, I cancel the first one. Number 5, alcohol at restaurants. This is a massive math play. The markup on a cocktail at a restaurant is typically 300% to 400%. Skipping 2 drinks at dinner saves $60. Do that once a week, and that's $3,000 a year back in your pocket. That's a massive chunk of an IRA contribution right there. Number 6, the upgrade cycle. Apple releases a new iPhone every year. Samsung does the same. Here's the truth. Your 2-year-old phone is perfectly fine. We've reached a point of diminishing returns in tech. By skipping just 2 upgrade cycles, I saved about $2,400. Number 7, the minimum mentality. I stopped buying the minimum payment lie on credit cards. Interest is a tax on the impatient. You can't build a $100,000 mountain if you're standing in a $20,000 hole. Attack the debt with every spare dollar. Number 8, sale items I didn't need. We've all done it. You see a $100 jacket on sale for $60. You think, I just saved $40. No. You spent $60. I stopped looking at sales entirely. I only buy things when I have a specific need for them. Number 9, professional grooming overkill. I'm talking about the $50 haircuts every 2 weeks or the $80 manicures. When you're trying to hit that first $100,000, every $100 saved is a brick in your foundation. Number 10, the I deserve this trap. This is the most dangerous force in finance. Lifestyle creep. If your expenses grow at the same rate as your income, you'll be just as broke making $200,000 as you were making $50,000. I kept my broke lifestyle for 3 years after I started making good money to widen that gap. Number 11, high-fee investment products. I moved everything to low-cost index funds. I stopped paying people 1.5% to beat the market and started just owning the market. On a $100,000 portfolio, those fees can eat up nearly 1/3 of your total wealth over 30 years. That first $100,000 is the hardest because you're fighting your own habits and a culture that wants you to spend. But once you hit it, math starts working for you instead of against you. Money is just a tool. If you waste your tool on things that don't matter, you won't have it when you need to build something that does matter, like your freedom. If you want to start today, do this, go through your last 30 days of bank statements. Highlight every convenience tax and subscription trap. Implement a 48-hour rule for any purchase over $50. If you still want it in 2 days, buy it. You have the power to change your trajectory. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. I put together a spreadsheet that helps you track these invisible leaks. You can find a link in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.